Hi guys! So maglalaro nga pala tayo ng 1+1 speed keyboard escape. Lapit na tayo mag-92. Again. So we're going to play +1 keyboard escape. So we're going to level up. Magpapa-level up tayo dito guys. Oh! 8 hours left until admin of use. Oh my god, nag-chat yung ating owner. 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uy, 1. Special treadmill! Go! Nay, mayroong ano! Nagchat-chat yung owner! Ako ay mayroong lagang aso na maganda na. Guys, mag-update tayo. Ay, hindi tayo mag-update dahil bawal tayo magkuya. Popcorn. '92 na tayo. I could build this house when I wait for your return. I only want you to be mine, but not lesson learned. Guys, subscribe. Guys, ito lang naman yung goal ko. Kada araw, magle-level up ako. And dito na magtatapos ang ating video. Bye-bye!